Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Anyways, today I'll be doing my eyebrows, but disclaimer, I do not know how to do my eyebrows, so I am just gonna do this in 3 or 4 sessions.
Yini?
But into 4 parts or 3 parts. So the first part is gonna be how I have been seeing people doing their eyebrows, and then the second part is gonna be how I like my eyebrows, and then the third part is gonna be, I don't know, but I'll just try different ways to do eyebrows, and then I'll see which one actually suits me the best. Anyways, let's get to it. So first things first, I'll need my brow gel. I got this from Temu, and I think it was less than 50 rands. I don't remember how much it was, but anyways, yeah. But you can actually use your soap bar if ever you don't have. So I did shape my eyebrows yesterday, so that's why they look a bit cute. I know. So this is a pencil I'll be using. I got this from China store, and it was probably like, I don't know, 15 rands or even less. I'm looking for my sharp Nagesan. So we're just gonna go underneath, but I don't want to start here. I'm gonna start somewhere here. I don't know. Please guys understand, I am still learning, but I feel like if ever you wanna judge or have any suggestions, it will be nice if you could just watch all the videos on this eyebrow series that I'll be doing, and then after the last video, then you can comment use this technique or whatsoever. But I do not like this technique, but it looks cute on people, but I just want to try it out and see what happens. But son, let's do this rather, because this one has issues, so it won't be that perfect that side, but I'll make it perfect because anything is possible with me. Then I just do like light strokes there. Light strokes here. I'm already seeing go to the side is a bit on the low side. That means when I am putting my concealer, I'm gonna have to access. But anyways, the next thing I'll be using these 2 concealers. I got them both from, did I get them both from Mr. Price? But this is Scarlet Hill, and then this is Smudge. I don't remember, but I think I got them both from, yeah, I don't know. But this one looks a bit like my skin color, so it won't you see. Oh, don't mess it up. And then just there, and then on the corner I'll just use the lighter concealer to bring in that wing, you know, to emphasize that wing, if you get what I mean. Already, there we go. Okay, then we use the lighter one on the wing. You just don't have to rush this step, because I believe it is very, 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 very crucial. And then we go with this one. But now when it comes to this one, I don't know whether the corner I should do it. Okay, let me just do it with that. Let me just blend. So I'm gonna be using this brush, or should I use this one rather? I'll use this one. I'm gonna be using this one to blend. So we're blending and blending and blending and blending and blending and blending. I don't like blending this part. I just like to use my hand to just tap 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 tap. Let me blend offline, but you get the gist. This is the end result. Honestly, I feel like I can do better. But do drop not hints. How? Do drop it's not ideas, but corrections of some sort of what I did wrong or how I can improve in order for me to be better at this eyebrows and this method that I am using, because I feel like there's something I am missing. Please do like, comment, and of course follow or subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.